This is the top 3 Japanese regenerative medicine startups in 2025. No. 3. VisionCare Inc. Founded in 2006 and based in Tokyo, VisionCare is a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company. Its lead product candidate is a cell replacement therapy derived from induced pluripotent stem cells for the treatment of retinal diseases. VisionCare is pursuing multiple clinical trials to demonstrate the safety and efficacy of its cell therapy platform. In 2014, the company made history by conducting the world's first clinical trial of retinal transplantation using iPS cells for patients with macular degeneration. Since then, it has expanded its pipeline with additional investigations targeting age-related macular degeneration and other retinal disorders. VisionCare is addressing a significant portion of the global retinal disease therapeutics market, which is projected to exceed $15 billion by 2027. The company's iPS cell platform offers a potentially transformative approach to restore vision in patients suffering from degenerative eye conditions. By harnessing the power of stem cell technology, VisionCare is paving the way for new treatment options and has secured approximately 1.7 billion yen, roughly $11.3 million in venture capital funding through a combination of equity, convertible bonds, and loans. Notable investors include SBI Investment, a leading venture capitalist firm in Japan, and Taiho Ventures, the corporate venture arm of Taiho Pharmaceutical Co. Limited. Number 2. Kyoto iPS Cell Research and Application, also known as CiRA. Established in 2007 and affiliated with Kyoto University, CiRA is a research center focused on translating cutting-edge iPS cell research into clinical applications. With a team of over 100 researchers, the center's work spans a wide range of diseases, including neurodegenerative disorders such as Parkinson's disease and spinal cord injuries, as well as blood disorders like sickle cell anemia. CiRA has initiated multiple human trials utilizing iPS cell-derived therapies, including transplantation of iPS cell-derived dopaminergic neurons for Parkinson's disease and spinal cord regeneration using iPS cell-derived oligodendrocyte precursor cells. These studies represent a significant step forward from proof-of-concept research to clinical investigation of iPS cell therapies. Notably, CiRA's research has received substantial support from the Japanese government's iPS cell initiative, as well as from private industry partners. In 2021, the center entered into a long-term strategic partnership with a major pharmaceutical company, securing over $270 million in value. This collaboration aims to accelerate the development and commercialization of iPS cell-based therapies for a range of conditions. The global market for neurodegenerative disease treatment is expected to reach over $50 billion within the next decade. CiRA's foundational research and clinical trials position it to play a leading role in this space, particularly for diseases with limited therapeutic options. Number 1. Fujita Health University Haneda Regenerative Clinic. Established in 2018 and based in Tokyo, the clinic is a specialized center focused on providing regenerative medical services using iPS cell-based technologies. The clinic's primary mission is to enable functional recovery in patients suffering from severe damage to tissues and organs. It currently offers a range of iPS cell-based treatments for cardiovascular and neurological conditions. Notably, the clinic is involved in several clinical studies, including iPS cell-derived cardiomyocyte transplantation for the treatment of heart disease, corneal repair using iPS cell-derived mesenchymal stem cells, and spinal injury treatment with iPS cell-derived neural stem cells. These programs represent a crucial step toward establishing the safety and efficacy of iPS-based clinical therapies in real-world medical settings. The regenerative medicine market targeting cardiovascular diseases alone is projected to reach more than $20 billion by 2030. The clinic addresses an urgent and large-scale need as chronic disease prevalence, particularly among the aging population, continues to rise. Furthermore, the clinic benefits from Japan's supportive regulatory environment that encourages translational research and the clinical adoption of iPS cell therapies. Its funding model includes a mix of public grants, hospital partnerships, and private sector investment in regenerative infrastructure. In conclusion, Japan has strategically positioned itself as a global leader in regenerative medicine through robust national policy, significant infrastructure investment, and scientific leadership in the field of iPS cell technology. The startups and research institutions highlighted in this video represent the vanguard of this transformation, each contributing to groundbreaking advancement in cell-based therapies. As these organizations continue to innovate and translate scientific discoveries into real-world clinical benefits, they promise to reshape the therapeutic landscape and address some of medicine's most intractable challenges.